Hello, it's Victoria from Coastal Themes, and in this video I am showing you one of our 3 ghost themes which are available to buy on coastalthemes.com and also from the Ghost Theme Marketplace. And this is Choi. This is one of our creative themes, and you can see immediately this beautiful header section which has rounded corners, and we have a different selection of colors, which I will take you through, but you can also override this with your own brand's colors and so on. So I'm going to take you through a bit of the homepage, membership page, and then I'll show you what you have access to customize in the back end. Starting with the hero section, you can see we have a strong H1 headline and 2 core CTAs. This is completely customizable, and I will show you what you can swap these out for, because you can have no hero section or you can have a hero section with a different call to action of your choice. When we scroll down, we can see what a typical post or article module will look like, with a lovely tag in the top right corner, a hover effect which will just slightly lift the image up, and then we can see the read time, the title, and a little excerpt of the article. You'll also be able to tell if the post is locked to a specific membership tier or if it's open to all viewers. So if we click into one of these posts, you can see this one is locked, so it will tell you that the post is only for subscribers. We have this beautiful CTA encouraging people to sign up. And if we go to a regular post, you'll see a beautiful big hero image, and then you can see your content is centered on the screen. As always on Ghost and all our themes, it's completely responsive. The responsive theme will just collapse the menu down into a burger menu. You'll see the CTA stack and a single column for your posts. We go back to full screen. You'll then be able to see we have this lovely featured post section, which is a carousel of posts and their relating hero image. After this, you'll see a popular tag section, which will pull in all your tags from your articles and blog posts and list them here for users to go and browse. So if we click into this, it will take them to a specific page listing all the posts under that tag. We have a pull quote section, more articles, and our lovely footer at the bottom. So that is the homepage for Choi. Obviously fully customizable. You can delete sections and you can change up the hero section, which I will show you now. And then if we quickly jump into the memberships section, you can see this is where your pricing sits. So we have our pricing tiers, which you customize from the back end, and sign up CTAs, which will take the users straight to the Stripe page. So you click on that and it takes them straight to checkout. You can also toggle between yearly pricing and monthly pricing. A few of our other pages include the authors page, so you can hero your authors and allow users to click through to see their particular posts. This is particularly helpful if you have a magazine style site. And then we have all our tags pages here as well, like I showed you from the homepage. So I'm going to click through to customize design and branding, and I'll show you what is possible in the back end of the theme. So obviously you can customize your site description. You can also change the accent color, which will change this core color you see across the site. You can see here I can change it. We can also change the publication icon, which will be your favicon, the logo, which will sit in the top left corner, and your cover image, which will sit in the hero section. If you jump to the site-wide tab, you can change up the font, of which we have a few to choose from. The body font, which will adjust the fonts for most of your posts, like so. And then we have a selection of pre-made color schemes. So I'm going to jump into this other tab to show you what they look like. So you're looking at dusty orange. We also have a beautiful whale blue. We have a green theme, which has a contrasting navy blue CTA. Purple, slate grey, which is super lovely, and sea blue, which looks a bit like this, also with a dark theme in the background. So I'm going to switch it back to green. I think I like this one the best. And let's jump back to the settings. So once you've chosen your color scheme, you can also adjust the accent color manually again if you'd like, any footer copyright info. And then let's look at the homepage. So here we have the title text, which is adjusting this H1. We can adjust the CTAs to be buttons. We could also make it a sign-up form, a search form to search the entire site, those buttons, or nothing. So you can just have the text and nothing else. Similarly, we can also remove the cover image, and that will center align the hero text and CTA. And then we can remove featured posts, which will remove the featured post widget, which was down here. That was this one. So that will remove that. Popular tags will remove this popular tag section. And then the quote widget you can change from here. And then if we look at posts, that will just quickly toggle the view to the post view, and you can adjust the size of the featured image, whether you want it to be the full image with no cropping applied. If you want a letterbox, which will be a slimmer shape, a square, landscape, or wide. So there's a few to choose from, and you can see what fits your theme the best. So yeah, that is an overview of Choi. If you love the look of the theme, then you can jump over to coastalthemes.com, hit on Ghost Themes, and you will see Choi sitting here at the top. You can click into it, you can view the preview yourself, and then you can hit buy, and that will take you straight to the purchase page to download the theme. You can also find this theme on the Ghost Marketplace, and if you are loving all our themes, you can buy all our themes with club access. So that is one price to our entire catalogue of themes, lifetime access, premium support, early access to new themes. What more could you ask for? That is it from me today. I hope you love the look of Choi as much as we do, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!